Okay, so we're going to look at Busy at Maths, page 86. I'm going to look at questions 4, 5, and 6 briefly here. So I'm going to look at question 4. So it says 542 meters is how many kilometers? Now, to get a kilometer, you need 1,000 meters. So have we got a kilometer there? No, we don't. So we have 542 meters. So if I have 542 meters, I don't have a kilometer. So I've got 0 point something of a kilometer. Now I need three numbers here. So what are those three numbers going to be? 5, 4, 2. Now look at this one. 6 meters is some amount of kilometers. Is 6 meters a kilometer? No, it's not, because you need 1,000 meters to make a kilometer. So 6 meters equals 0 kilometers. Now we put a decimal point. And remember, I need three numbers here. So where am I going to put my 6? Well, if I put my 6 there, it becomes 600. So that's no good. So if I put my 6 there, it becomes 60. And that's no good because it's 6 meters. So I put my 6 over here on the end. So it goes 0.006 kilometers. That's what 6 meters is. Now if we look at this one here, 1,430 meters, have we got a kilometer? Yes, we do, because we have 1,000 meters. So 1,403, I think it was. Something like that anyway. So it's 1.403 kilometers. So the rest of them are something like that. Question 5. Write these meters as kilometers using fractions or mixed numbers. Now 734 meters. You don't even have a kilometer there. So you're going to have 0.734. This one, 38 meters. We don't have a kilometer because we need 1,000 meters, remember, to make a kilometer. So that's going to be 0.038. This one, 410 meters. Have we got a kilometer? No, because we need 1,000 meters to make a kilometer. We don't have 1,000 meters. So it's 0.410. Now this one, 9 meters. Have we got a kilometer? No, because it takes 1,000 meters to make a kilometer. So it's 0.009. And I leave you to do the rest of them then yourself. The ones down the bottom, you will have kilometers. Look, you're going to have 5.160 there. Now these ones, write these distances as kilometers. Write the distances as meters. Or these distances are in kilometers, rather. So 3/10 of a kilometer is how many meters? 3/10 of a kilometer is 300 meters. 7/10 of a kilometer. So if we look at that on the whiteboard here. So 7/10 of a kilometer. 7/10. So here's your units. Here's your tenths, and this is decimals now. Tenths, hundredths, and thousands. So where's the 7 go? 7/10 goes in there. Goes into the tenths column. So that's 0.77 of a kilometer. Or 0.700, I beg your pardon, of a kilometer. Or just 0.7 if you like. 0.4 of a kilometer. 0.4 of a kilometer. And that's actually going to be 400 meters. 0.4 of a kilometer is 400 meters. This one, 0.007 of a kilometer. That's just 7 meters. 6.2 of a kilometer is how many meters? Well, we've got 6.2, so we have 6 kilometers, that's 6,000 altogether. 0.2 is 200, so it's going to be 6,200. So there's a few little tricky ones in there. Now look at this one, 3 and 13/100ths. We look at that one on the whiteboard. So you got 3 and 13/100ths. So we're going to have 3.130. So that's basically 3,130 meters. 3,130 meters. Okay, so there's a few to help you along on page 86, and hopefully if you get them right, you'll probably get most of the rest of them right.